and the little subheading is to multiply them. Give a chance to write that. And let me give you an example before we jot anything else down here. Example. 1/2 times 1/4. Now something to think about here, boys and girls, and I don't know if you can come up with this. A fraction symbol, a multiplication sign, a lot of times in math we write it in words, and the word that is the same thing as times in math is actually the word of. 1/2 times 1/4 is the same thing as 1/2 of 1/4. Which, if you took out your fraction circles and did this with me, if I asked you to take out your 1/4 thing and figure out what fraction is half of that 1/4, you could maybe tell me what? Half of 1/4, if you take out the 1/4-inch circle piece. Or here, let's look at it this way. Here's my little pie. I have 1/4 of it. You know, your mom gives you 1/4 of the pizza and says, well, give half of that to your brother or sister, so you have to chop that in half. What fraction is half of 1/4? Josh? 1/8. Now, maybe you can deduce, rather than having to think of the pictures and do all that, what actually happened here what do I do with these two to actually get that? Yeah, and the nice thing about that, and I need you to write this in ginormous letters, okay, just like, well, when we add or subtract fractions, you have to write them up and down. You don't, let's put that in here, don't write up and down. Do not write up and down. Do not write up and down. In ginormous.
Can Miller, Luke, and Han go to channel 5, please?
Oh, great. Let me.
Teachers, Miller, Luke, and Han.
2 seconds.
5.
How do I fix this?
I think it's the thing at the top.
I'm on 5.
It's a go.
Now that practice is tomorrow, I have more students saying, I want to be part
What's going on?
Knocked out of that one. Write down in big words, ladies and gentlemen, this. This will be very occasion. When you multiply, you just multiply across.
They're still talking.
Multiply across. Which means this. Let's say you have
Oh, my dad taught me this.
2/3 times 3/5.
I know how to do
Really, the easiest thing to do with fractions is multiply them, because there's no work at all. You just simply
multiply across.
multiply across.
That's what my dad taught me.
Thank you for that. Yeah. You can talk about that later here. I don't think there's anything. Let me see. Let me throw a couple more down there. 2/3 times 2/3.
They just asked if you were there.
Yeah, whatever you guys decide is good with me. So you just multiply the 2 times the 2, and you get 4. 2 times 3 is 9. Just simply multiply
Yeah.
So that means we can stop there.